I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Help me, please. Stop trying to fight me. That was your problem. Help me! Trying to bite me, man. Watch your hand, bud. Help me, please! Move! Right, relax. My body hurts. Oh my God!
Relax. If you get up,
Help me, please!
Brian, relax. Hey.
Officers responded to a call of an ambulance traffic collision. On getting there, the suspect named Brian was arrested for driving under the influence of drugs, although he sustained injuries to his face and was taken to the hospital. It was at the hospital he became aggressive and started trying to bite the police officers who were trying to help him. Subscribe to this channel and witness how the whole drama began.
Big guy. Hey, listen, buddy, I gotta handcuff you. I don't care what you have to say. I'm this guy. I gotta take this out, okay?
24 American ED, Chevy comes with 6 with 24 Green, come on, please.
24 American,
Big guy.
24 American 80, Roger.
Putting 2 sets of handcuffs on you because you're a big guy. Why do you think? Because you're being detained for suspicion of driving under the influence of narcotics. Or possibly alcohol or a combination of both. We're going to figure that out, okay? All right. Hey, Brian. I'm not going in the car. I'm not going. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Wait. You need to relax. Oh, my body hurts. Oh, my God.
Relax. If you get up, it's gonna hurt less. Hey, if you just get
At this point, the cops could not take him to the station because of the injuries he has sustained, so they had to call an ambulance to take him to the hospital. On getting to the hospital, Brian got aggressive and tried to bite the police officers.
Brian.
Help me, please.
Brian, relax. Hey, look, if you don't get cooperative, all right, your mom's not gonna come, your friends who's in the lobby right now, help me! She's gonna be, we don't want to concern her, right?
I'm getting sick.
Okay,
I'm gonna throw
so relax.
Try to bite me one more time.
Relax, okay? Just go where you need to go right now so that they can take care of you, and that's it.
Can we push? Let's push. All right. Stop it!
Relax. Can you fold a bed back?
Be careful, Eddie. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Help me, please. Stop trying to bite me. That was your problem. Help me! Trying to bite me, man. Watch your hand, bud. Help me, please! Move!
Brian, relax. Brian, relax.
Come on. God damn it. Watch out, Eddie.
Do you understand?
Put that over his face. Push him back down to the thing. Hey, dude. I want you to take this off. We're gonna grab his feet. Hold on. Strong, dude. This is to stop him from spitting.
Just hold him there until we get more guys.
Watch your hand.
Brian, you need to relax, dude. You're just causing more problems for yourself right now.
Towel went around his face. Spitting and biting.
Just relax. All right. Stop biting the officers. You understand? Relax. Okay.
I'm over my foot.
Brian, relax.
Let go.
All right. You need to relax. You need to start following our directions. Okay.
Oh, wow.
You gonna start following directions? Yeah. All right. I want you to sit up.
I can see highway going to jail.
All right.
Okay.
You're not gonna
Sarge.
Highway going to jail.
All right.
For road, I can see highway going to jail.
Why are you trying to make it all hard for yourself? All right. Relax.
Yes, sir.
Try to sit up on the chair right now.
Get up on the chair, dude.
Okay, I want you to do it.
Yes, sir.
Get up on the gurney. Come on, let's go.
Come on. Okay. I'll do anything you want.
Okay. I said sit up on the chair.
Okay. I will.
Sit up.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you.
Sit up.
Okay.
Brian, start moving up.
Okay.
Start moving. You move up?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Brian.
Alright. Let's buddy.
Scoot up, Brian.
I got them.
Okay, scoot up. Scoot up.
Just watch his hand because he's gonna pinch off the hand.
Okay.
Put him on the seat. He's gonna pinch off his fingers.
Put your left hand. No.
Okay.
All right, sit up.
Okay, hold on. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Hang on there.
Yes, sir.
Brian, you need to sit up.
Brian, get back on the gurney. Brian, you're on the gurney right now.
Stand up if you can.
Patient here in the hallway, coming to jail, that's acting out.
Yes, sir. Are there anything else?
Okay, sit back. Brian, you need to sit back. Okay, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back.
There we go.
Thank you.
All right. Brian, relax.
Lay your head back, Brian.
Let's bring him down more. No, down.
Down.
Lying position.
You taught me so much.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Now, let's try to strap him down.
Thank you.
Strap him down.
You can do that. You can do anything you want. Yes, sir.
Can you strap
Yes, sir.
up the body as well?
I understand now.